Okay, Hazen, what color is this?
Hurry up. Hurry up. 10, 9,
Color, yellow.
7,
Next.
6.
Next. Next.
Orange.
Okay, very good. Oh, let's sort the pictures, okay? What is this? What is this? Tell teacher. What is this? What is this? It's a
Grapes.
grapes. Very good. Purple grapes. How about this one? What is this? Watermelon. Next.
Orange.
What is this? Orange. Next. Crab. How about this one? Tree. Next, what is this? It's a
Duck.
duck. How about this? Bag. Very good. Next, what color is this? Color?
Oh no.
Blue. Next. Eggplant. What is this?
Dolphin.
Dolphin. Next.
Tomato.
Tomato. Next one. What is this? Paintbrush.
Paintbrush.
Yes, paintbrush. Next one.
Banana.
Banana. Next, it's a
Glass.
glasses. Next,
White.
what is this? Look at the teacher. What is this?
Orange.
Heart. How about this one? Color green, crayon. How about this? Oh, are you sure? No, look at the color po. What color is this? Color? No. Look mo. Orange. Orange. Next. Oh, yellow. Very good. Next, how about this? What is this?
Clock.
Clock. Color? Purple. What is this? Look mo picture, look. Ball. Where is it? Ball. Next one. What is this? Ruler.
Door.
Okay. Where is it? Okay, very good. Next, what is this? Color. Look. Okay, red. How about this one? What is this? Rocket. Rocket is color blue. How about this one? What is this? Telephone. Okay, oh, what is the color of the telephone? Next. What is this? Leaf. Okay, very good. Next one, color. Look here. Hazen, look. Okay, very good. How about this? What is this? Sun. Next one. Gift. Next. Candy. And last one. Leaf. Clover leaf. Very good. High five, teacher. Good job, Hazen. Massage.
Number 2.
Massage. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 9, and 10. Very good. Why are you crying? 11. This one. This side.
Eleven.
Wipe.
Eleven.
Ay.
Eleven.
Nagka-cry pa. Eh, stop crying na. Eh, stop crying na. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. Very good. Next, legs. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. Next. Okay, 27. 28. 29. 30. Very good. Next. This side. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. Last one. 40. Very good. 40. Oh, next. Okay, Hazen, come here. Hazen, come here. Let's go. Let's go. It's okay, you walk. You go. Go inside. Go. Shoot. Next, color pink. Color pink. Go inside. Inside. Go inside. Go, Hayden. Shoot. Next, green. Inside. Here. Inside. Go inside. Go, you can do it. Next, color red. Go inside.
Very easy
Go, go.
Last three. We have. Blue chair, Mika. Blue chair, red chair, red chair, May. You can do it. It's okay.
Hazen, go, Hazen. Go, Hazen. Next, orange. Go inside. Very good.
Girl. Boy.
Go. Next, yellow. Inside. Good job.
Look, boy ba to o girl? Okay na. Boy or girl? Girl
Go, go, go.
or boy?
Caterpillar. Go, wait and go.
Okay, number 2.
Beep, 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 beep.
Boy or a girl?
Beep.
Boy or a girl? What's this?
Oh, next. Next one.
This is a boy.
Inside, again. Do it again, Steven.
Number 2.
Do it again. Inside. Go inside caterpillar. Inside caterpillar. Right inside.
Number 3. Number 3. Is a boy or a girl? Number
Yes,
3.
last one.
Is this a girl or a boy?
Okay, very good. 40. 41. 42. 43.
Next, May, are you done?
44.
Are you done?
45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. Oh, next, 51. 51. Next, 52. 53. 54. 55. 56. 57. 58. 59. What's next? 60. 60. Okay. 61. 62. 63. 64. 65. 66. 67. 68. 69. What's next? 70. 71. 72. 73. 74. 75. 76. 77. 78. 79. 80. How about your face? 81. 82. 83. 84. 85. 86. 87. 88. 89. 90. How about the other one? 91. 92. 93. 94. 95. 96. 97. 98. 99. 100. Yay! High five. High five, teacher. Very good. Up and down. Go. Go. Slowly, slowly. You can do it. Slowly. Go. Go. Hey. Wow. Okay, next. Yellow. Happy, happy. Go up. Slowly. Slowly, you can do it. Okay, slow lang, slow. Okay. Shoot. Okay, color purple. Go. Go.
Excuse me, dito. Dito. Up, up, up.
May, how old are you?
Up. Slowly.
11.
Slowly, slowly. Slowly. Okay, here, here, here. Hazel, Hazel. Under. Here. Hazel. No. Dito, anak. Dito, here. Oh, next, color yellow. Go. Up, go up, go up, go up. Slowly, slowly. Slowly. Okay, slowly. It's okay. Look, look, look. Ay, wow. Oh, under, under, under. Last two. Up, go up, go up. Slowly, look, focus.
Where is this one?
Up. Okay, last one. Under, under, under. Hazel, Hazel, go, 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 go back. Under, under, under. Ay, Kuya E, yan. Ito, ito lang. Sige, go. Thank you. Last one. Oh, go up. Go up. Up. Oh, Hazel, Hazel.
Oh, look,
No,
go
no.
back, go back.
Here, Hazel.
Up, up. Over there, look, look. Teacher guys.
Up here.
Go, go.
Nakalimutan. Diyan ang photo. Sige, kaya mo yan. Sige, yan. Very good. Slowly, slowly. Shoot. Yay!
Close the popsicle. What is this? Letter?
A.
A is for? What's that? A is for?
Ice.
Ice cream. What is inside? A is for? What is this?
Apple.
Apple. Okay, next. M. M is for?
Oh, dali na mag-iinay na tayo.
M is for?
Monkey.
No. M is for?
Monkey.
Moon. Look for the moon. Where is the moon? Okay, next. Close po daw. Close. Close the popsicle. Close popsicle. Baliktad ko like this. Yan. Close popsicle like this, Hazen. Hazen like this. Close popsicle. Oh, put inside the moon. Okay. Next one. What is that? W for?
Wheel.
Oh, look mo. Where is it?
Wheel.
Look mo po. Where's the whale?
Wheel. Wheel.
I-look mo po. Hanapin mo po ang whale. Where is it? Whale.
Wheel.
Where's the whale? Look mo, whale. Close it. No, no. Not like that. Again. Close the popsicle. Hazen like this. Hold here. Hold and then put. Yan. Okay, give mo kay teacher. Next. What is this?
B.
B for? B for?
Look.
B for? Look mo po. Which one? B for?
Baby.
B. Oopsie. Here, here, here. Close, close. B.
B. B.
Close mo daw po. Close. B.
Gigi.
like this. Told you. Hold here, and then inside. Okay, next one. What is this? U for? Okay, umbrella. O, close mo daw. I-hold mo po ng mabuti. Yan, close. Ito po ang i-hold. Hold here, and then close. Okay, next. P. Letter P. Ayun, very good. Next, Z. Look mo po, look. Hold it like this. Try again. Close it properly. No? Hazen, hold it here. Okay, next. S for star. Paano po? Hold po dito. Okay, next. Letter K. K is for?
Key.
Okay, key. Close mo po. Close. Hold. Saan po i-hold? Ganyan po. Yan. Next. Letter G. O, paano po? Again po. Hold it here. Look. Hazen. Hold here. Put. Next. H. Look mo pong mabuti. Listen to teacher. Saan po i-hold? Hold it here. Yan. Close. Like this, Hazen. Like that. Close. No. Hold it like this. H. Hat. Next. E. Close it properly. Paano po i-close yan? Paano po? I told you, hold it here. Hold, put. Okay, next. Letter R. R for? Close the rabbit. Saan po hahawakan? Dito po. Okay, very good. High five. Good job. Waiting hands now.